What's up, everybody? It's Jason Ward with the Safe and Healthy Kids Wellness and Nutrition Department, and I'm here for another quick hits video, resources you can use today in your after-school program. So let's check it out. Today's resource is a game, an activity called Where Would You Go? Now, this is a Jamboard activity, and there's a deep dive video on how to use Jamboard, but we'll go over it real quick. This can be accessed through the Virtual Physical Activity Library, so there's the link there. You'll click on it, and it'll take you to the Jamboard Resource. Now, in order to use this with your students, you will need to share it with them. Now, how do you do that? You go up to this little share icon, and anyone with the link, you'd click on share. It'll bring this up. Anyone with internet and this link can edit. So you'd copy the link and then post it in the chat of your Zoom meeting or your Google Meetup or anywhere in your chat with whatever video service you're using. You post it in your chat, students can click on it, and it'll take them to this Jamboard. Now, within this, the whole goal of this is a little icebreaker activity. Get to know your students better, have some fun. It's like a whiteboard for Zoom, if you're familiar with that. This one lets you do a little bit more. What I really like is that you can add sticky notes. So for this activity, where would you go? You simply ask your students, where in the United States, as we can see here on the map, would you go? They'd click on this icon that says sticky note. They'd write their name on it. There's my name and where they want to go. I want to go to New Mexico. Save it. And then I can resize my sticky note and drag it down to New Mexico where I want to go. Then you go over all the answers that your students gave you. The second slide is a map of the world, so they get to decide where in the world, anywhere in the world. If they could go anywhere, where would they go? They'd select that sticky note again, write their name, write the place of where they'd go, and drag it there. And then you can have a fun discussion with your students on where they chose to go in the world. So that is our quick hits for today. Thanks for listening, and look for more videos. Have a good one. And don't forget, all the links are in the virtual activity or virtual physical activity resource and more guide, or you can find them down in the video description. Have a good one.